Greetings of the day. I'm Megha Gupta, an assistant professor in Babu Banarsi Das University. Today, I'll be teaching you Mehr, an essential of a valid Muslim marriage. Under this topic, we'll be discussing the definition, nature, and types of Mehr. We'll also be discussing the rights of a Muslim woman in case of unpaid Mehr. In Muslim law, marriage is considered as a contract, and Mehr is the consideration that the husband gives to the wife for marriage. It symbolizes the husband's commitment to support his wife financially and provide for her needs throughout their marriage. Mehr is a means of security, respect, and honor for the wife, and it promotes equity and fairness in the marriage. In Islamic law, the husband is obligated to pay the full amount of Mehr to his wife, regardless of his financial status. This ensures that the wife is protected financially in case of divorce, death, or any other unforeseen circumstances. The Mehr serves as a means of security for the wife, giving her a sense of independence and financial stability in the marriage. Mehr is the amount agreed to by both parties, and it can be in any form such as cash, property, or any other valuable asset. The nature of Mehr is such that it is a means of respect and honor for the wife. By making a financial provision for her, the husband is acknowledging the value and worth of his wife. It is a way of honoring her. Moreover, the nature of marriage is such that it promotes equity and fairness in the marriage. It ensures that both parties have a clear understanding of their rights and responsibilities in the marriage. After having discussed and understood the meaning of Mehr, the purpose of Mehr, and the nature of Mehr, we will come to types of Mehr. There are two main types of Mehr, which is also known as dower, called the prompt Mehr and the deferred Mehr. In prompt Mehr, the portion of the Mehr or dower is paid immediately or at the time of the marriage contract. It is usually a small amount and is intended as a gift to the wife. This prompt dower or Mehr can be in the form of cash, property, or any other valuable asset that the couple agrees upon. Deferred dower, on the other hand, is the portion of the dower that is not paid immediately but is deferred until the dissolution of the marriage through divorce, death, or any other means. The deferred dower is usually a larger amount and is meant to provide financial security to the wife in case of any unforeseen circumstance rather than being a gift. Deferred Mehr can be further divided into two subcategories, that is specified and unspecified. Under specified dower, it refers to a specific amount agreed upon by the husband and the wife at the time of the marriage. The amount can be paid in full at the time of divorce or in installments over a period of time. Under unspecified Mehr, on the other hand, refers to a dower amount that is not specified at the time of the marriage. Rather, the court will make the decision at the time of the divorce. This type of Mehr is usually preferred by the women as it provides them with greater financial security in the event of a divorce, keeping in mind the current financial status of the woman and the circumstances of the economic conditions. In addition to prompt and deferred dower, there is also a type of dower known as mukhar. Mukhar refers to a deferred dower that is agreed upon to be paid at a later time, such as after the birth of a child or after a certain period of time has passed the marriage. This type of dower is meant to encourage the husband to fulfill his responsibilities towards his wife and the family. The type of dower agreed upon by the husband and the wife depends on their individual circumstances and preferences, and there is no set rules regarding the same. What are the rights of a wife in case of unpaid Mehr? Firstly, the wife has a right to demand the payment of dower from her husband. If the husband refuses to pay the dower, the wife can seek legal assistance to enforce her right. She can take the matter to an Islamic court, which will order the husband to pay the dower. Secondly, if the husband is unable to pay the dower at the time of the marriage contract, the wife has the right to agree to a deferred payment schedule. In this case, the husband is obligated to pay the dower at a later time or in installments as agreed upon by both the parties. Thirdly, if the husband dies before paying the dower, the wife has the right to inherit the unpaid dower from the husband's estate. She becomes the priority creditor. The dower takes priority over any other debt or obligation of the deceased husband. Fourthly, in case of divorce, the wife has the right to claim the unpaid dower from her husband. The wife can make a claim for the full amount of the dower or any outstanding balance. Fifthly, if the husband has been declared bankrupt, the wife's dower is considered a priority debt and takes precedence over other creditors. So to conclude, we've discussed the definition of Mehr, the nature of Mehr, the two categories of Mehr, and the two subcategories of deferred Mehr, and what are the rights of a married Muslim woman in case of unpaid dowry. With this, we end the lecture. Thank you for joining us.